Scientific miracle. The harmful kite birds inflame fire. Ornithologists confirm that the harmful kite birds inflame fire by carrying burning sticks to new locations in their beaks and talons. The idea is that these kite birds use fires to help find food, making easy meals out of insects and other small animals, trying to flee the blaze. What has been mentioned is consistent with the Honorable Hadith. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, 5 of the animals, all of them immoral, are killed in law and sanctuary: the squirrel dog, the crow, the kite, the scorpion, and the mouse.